Imagine discovering a small leak on a pipe in your home, maybe under the sink or in the basement. It is certainly a stressful moment, but what if there was a simple, quick way to stop that drip in its tracks, at least temporarily, until a professional plumber can arrive? A rubber and hose clamp pipe patch is your go-to solution for a quick and effective temporary fix for small pipe leaks. It is designed to buy you crucial time, preventing further water damage until a permanent repair can be made. This method works by applying external compression to the leaky section of the pipe. The rubber acts as a flexible gasket, conforming to the pipe's shape and sealing the leak. The hose clamps then provide the necessary pressure to hold the rubber firmly against the pipe, creating a watertight barrier. This approach is best for low-pressure water leaks, not high-pressure bursts. To begin, you will first need to gather a few simple items. You will need a piece of rubber, such as a section of an old bicycle inner tube or a rubber repair patch, and 2 or more stainless steel hose clamps that are slightly larger than your pipe's diameter. You will also need a screwdriver to tighten the clamps. The first crucial step is always to turn off the water supply to the affected pipe. You can usually find the shut-off valve under a sink or for the whole house at your main water meter. Once the water is off, clean the leaky area thoroughly, making sure it is dry and free of any rust or debris. Next, cut a piece of rubber that is large enough to completely cover the leak and extend at least 1 inch beyond it in all directions. If the leak is on a straight section of pipe, a rectangular piece will work well. For a joint or a bend, you might need to trim the rubber to fit more snugly. Now wrap the rubber piece tightly around the pipe, centering it directly over the leak. Make sure there are no wrinkles or creases that could compromise the seal. Hold it firmly in place with one hand. With your free hand, slide the first hose clamp over the wrapped rubber and position it about 1/2 inch from one edge of the rubber patch. Using your screwdriver, tighten the clamp until it feels secure and the rubber is compressed, but do not over-tighten it as you could damage the pipe. Repeat this process with a second hose clamp, placing it about 1/2 inch from the opposite edge of the rubber patch. For larger leaks or pipes, you might need to use 3 or even 4 clamps for even pressure. Once both clamps are securely tightened, slowly turn the water supply back on and carefully inspect the patch for any signs of continued leaking. If you see any drips, gently tighten the clamps a little more until the leak stops. Sometimes, adding a layer of pipe wrap tape underneath the rubber can provide an extra layer of sealing power. This simple rubber and hose clamp patch provides an immediate, effective solution to stop a pipe leak. It prevents potential water damage to your home and gives you the peace of mind knowing you have time to arrange for a professional plumber to perform a lasting repair. It is a true plumbing lifesaver, allowing you to quickly tackle unexpected problems like a seasoned expert.